Governor Brown says that this will ensure that the criminal justice system works the same for both the rich and the poor. But there are some who worry that doing this will just add more responsibilities onto police and to our courts. Is the bail system rigged against the poor? Sonia Turan, who works at Bail Connection in Rancho Cucamonga, understands why people think that.
No system is perfect. I understand that. Bail, there's a lot of things that do need to be fixed.
But she doesn't think getting rid of cash bail completely is the answer, and she can't believe the governor just signed a bill doing that.
Unfortunately, we were expecting Governor Brown to veto this reform, and he didn't.
Under the new legislation, which would go into effect next fall, a judge would only hold a criminal suspect if they pose a risk to public safety or might miss their court date. If not, most suspects of nonviolent misdemeanors would be released within 12 hours. It would be up to counties to set up risk assessment systems and decide if some suspects need GPS monitoring or home detention. Others would be on the honor system to show up to their court appearances. Bail bondsmen like Shane Fuchs don't think that will work.
When they bail out under us. They're under our watch. So now they're going to be under the law enforcement's watch, which they already have too much going on as it is.
He thinks this new system will either lead to dangerous people being let out when they shouldn't, or jails becoming even more overcrowded.
I think it's just going to make things worse. Making a broken system even worse. That's scary.
Of course, those in the bail industry are also worried that they could all be out of jobs soon. That's why they say they will continue to speak out about this issue until the new bill goes into effect next October. Live in Rancho Cucamonga, Tina Patel, CBS 2 News.